Picture this for a second. You're reaching up to grab something from a shelf, or pushing yourself up from a chair, or even just carrying groceries into the house, and suddenly your arms feel weaker than they used to. Not painful, not injured, just weaker. And you start wondering, is this just part of getting older? Let me tell you something important right away. Weak arms are not a normal or unavoidable part of aging. In fact, after 60, strong arms can be the difference between staying independent and slowly needing help for everyday things. And the good news? You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or complicated routines to build that strength back. Today, I want to share 3 simple arm exercises that every senior over 60 should try starting today. These are safe, practical, and incredibly effective. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll show you exactly how to use these movements to protect your joints, boost your confidence, and make daily life feel easier again. Now before we start, let's talk honestly for a moment. Most people focus on walking for their legs or stretching for flexibility, which is great. But arms are often forgotten. And that's a big mistake. Your arms help you push, pull, lift, balance, and even protect yourself if you trip. Weak arms increase the risk of falls, joint pain, and loss of independence. Strong arms do the opposite. They give you control over your body. And here's something most people don't realize. After 60, your body actually responds very well to gentle, consistent strength training. You're not too old. You're not past your prime. Your muscles are waiting for a signal to wake up. These exercises are that signal. Let's start with the first exercise, and I want you to imagine doing this with me as you listen. This movement focuses on your biceps, the muscles in the front of your arms that help you lift, carry, and pull things toward you. Think about lifting a bag of rice, picking up a grandchild, or even bringing food to your mouth. That's your biceps working. Sit comfortably on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Relax your shoulders. Let your arms hang by your sides. If you have light dumbbells, great. If not, water bottles, small bags of rice, or even just your own body weight will work perfectly. Slowly bend one arm at the elbow and bring your hand up toward your shoulder. Keep your elbow close to your side. Don't rush. This is not about speed. This is about control. Then slowly lower your hand back down. As you do this, focus on the muscle tightening and relaxing. Breathe out as you lift, breathe in as you lower. That breathing matters more than you think. It keeps your blood pressure stable and your muscles relaxed. Now switch arms. What makes this exercise so powerful for seniors is not just strength. It improves coordination, joint stability, and even brain-muscle connection. Studies show that slow, controlled movements like this help maintain nerve function as we age. That means better reaction time and better control. If you feel a mild burn or fatigue, that's good. If you feel sharp pain, stop. Listen to your body. 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 slow repetitions is more than enough. Now let's move to the second exercise, and this one is extremely important for posture, balance, and protecting your shoulders. This exercise targets the triceps, the muscles on the back of your arms. These muscles help you push yourself up from a chair, steady yourself against a wall, or catch yourself if you stumble. Weak triceps are one of the main reasons seniors struggle to stand up or feel unsteady. Sit tall in your chair. Hold one weight or water bottle in your hand. Lift your arms so your elbow points up toward the ceiling and your hand is behind your head. If that feels uncomfortable, you can do this with a smaller range of motion. Now slowly straighten your arm upward, lifting the weight toward the ceiling. Then gently bend it back down. Again, slow and controlled. If raising your arm overhead isn't comfortable, here's a safer alternative. Keep your elbow close to your body, lean slightly forward, and extend your arm backward instead. The goal is still the same, squeezing the back of the arm as you straighten it. This exercise does more than strengthen muscle. It protects your shoulder joints, improves upper body endurance, and reduces the strain on your neck and upper back. Over time, people notice they can stand up more easily, push doors open without effort, and feel more stable when moving. And here's something powerful. Strong triceps reduce your fall risk. When you have the strength to catch yourself or push against a surface, your body reacts faster in emergencies. Take your time with this movement. 8 to 10 repetitions per arm is enough to start. You don't need to feel exhausted. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Now let's talk about the third exercise, and in my opinion, this one might be the most underrated arm exercise for seniors. This movement strengthens your shoulders and upper arms together, which is critical for daily activities like reaching, dressing, and maintaining balance. Sit or stand comfortably. Hold your weights or water bottles in both hands. Let your arms rest at your sides, palms facing inward. Now slowly raise both arms forward until they reach about shoulder height. You don't need to go higher. Pause for a moment, then slowly lower them back down. As you lift, imagine your arms floating upward, not being forced. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. If lifting both arms feels too challenging, do one arm at a time. This exercise improves shoulder mobility, arm endurance, and posture. Many seniors develop rounded shoulders over time, which can cause neck pain and breathing issues. This simple movement helps open the chest and strengthen the muscles that support good posture. What I love about this exercise is how functional it is. It directly translates to real life. Reaching for shelves, opening curtains, putting on a jacket, these things become easier when your shoulders and arms are strong. Now let me share something very important. These 3 exercises are not meant to be rushed through. They are meant to be felt. Slow movements protect your joints, improve muscle activation, and lower injury risk. You don't need to do them every single day. 3 to 4 times a week is perfect. And here's a mindset shift I want you to take seriously. You are not working out. You are training for life. For independence. For confidence. For dignity. A lot of people over 60 avoid arm exercises because they're afraid of injury or think it's too late. But the opposite is true. Gentle strength training is one of the best things you can do for healthy aging. It improves blood sugar control, supports bone health, boosts metabolism, and even improves mood and memory. I've seen people in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s regain strength they thought was gone forever. Not with extreme workouts, but with simple movements done consistently. If you're just starting, start small. 1 set, lightweight. Focus on form. As weeks go by, your arms will feel stronger, steadier, and more capable. You'll notice daily tasks becoming easier. That's real progress. Now before we wrap up, let me say this clearly. Always warm up your arms with gentle circles and light movement before starting. And if you have a medical condition or recent surgery, talk to your doctor before beginning any exercise routine. But don't let fear stop you. Movement is medicine. Strength is freedom. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Like this video so more seniors can see it. Subscribe to the channel if you want more simple, safe exercises designed specifically for people over 50 and 60. And let me know in the comments which exercise you're going to try first, or if you want a full weekly routine next. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Your future self will thank you for it.